I'm going to show you how to connect your akaso camera to your Chromebook. First thing, remove the SD card and the battery. And then one end of the micro USB is to your akaso, and then the other end you attach it to your Chromebook. Then turn on your Chromebook and your akaso. Notice it says PC camera on your Chromebook. Make sure you go to your camera app. Then to switch camera, you click this icon, the circle thingy. So this is how you connect your akaso camera to a Chromebook. Like and subscribe to my channel. The video is helpful.